Hi there, welcome back to ESL Drill. In today's video, let's learn some interesting thing, that is using besides. Now, most of us are confused about using this word besides. Looks very simple but confusing. Let's try to learn how to use it today. Are you ready? Here we go. Okay, now the word besides can be used both as a preposition and an adverb. It means as a preposition, besides means in addition to somebody or something. There is something and we want to add something else. Then we say besides. Now, how do we use besides here? Now, after besides, we can use a noun, and after besides, we can also use verb 1 plus ing. V1 ing, like coming, going, taking, doing, singing, like that. Now, let's look at a few examples to understand how we use besides. People choose jobs for other reasons besides money. People choose jobs for other reasons besides money. It means money is one reason why people choose jobs, and there are some other reasons why people choose jobs. Now, besides money means that apart from this, in addition to money, people have several other reasons why they choose jobs. Okay? Now look at this example. Besides being beautiful, she has many good qualities. Besides being beautiful, she has many good qualities. Now, it means she is beautiful and she has many good qualities. So, one main quality is she is beautiful, and there are many other qualities. Not just this. In addition to this beauty, there are many other qualities. Okay? Now, besides working as a doctor, he also writes novels in his spare time. Remember this one. We can use also in colloquial English, in conversational style, even though we try to avoid also in written English. That's not a problem. Let me repeat that sentence again. Besides working as a doctor, he also writes novels in his spare time. So he does many things. The main thing is he is a doctor. He works as a doctor. And in addition to that, he writes novels in his spare time when he finds free time. Now, let me give you another example. I've got plenty of other things to do besides talking to you. I've got plenty of other things to do besides talking to you. Now, I can do one thing, I can talk to you. But at the same time, in addition to this, I have other things to take care of. I hope you have understood. Now, let me give another example. Nick plays football besides golf. Now, Nick plays golf, that is the main thing. Not just that. In addition to that, he plays football. So, Nick plays football besides golf. So, this is how we use besides as a preposition. Remember, after besides as a preposition, we have a noun or verb 1 plus ing form. Now, let's look at something different here. This word besides can be used as an adverb. Now, as an adverb, besides means to emphasize an additional point we are making. For example, this is the structure we use. We mention a reason or fact, and then we use a semicolon, and then we use besides and a comma, and then we mention stronger reason or fact. I hope you have understood. We mention a fact or reason, and then we put a semicolon, and then we use besides and a comma and the second fact, which is supposedly a stronger fact. Look at these examples here. I don't really want to go. Besides, it's too late now. I don't really want to go. We have put a semicolon there. Besides, it's too late now. Now, I don't want to go is the main reason, and it's too late is even stronger reason. I have another stronger reason to support my statement or to support my decision. So let me repeat that sentence. I don't want to go. Besides, it's too late now. We'll look at another example here. I don't mind picking up things from the store. Besides, walk will do me good. No, I can do these things. I can pick up things from the store. And I also think that walking will help me. So walking will do me good, something good. So I don't mind picking up things from the store. Besides, the walk will do me good. Now here, besides actually modifies the whole sentence, the second part. The walk will do me good. That's why besides is called a sentence adverb, because it modifies or it adds information to the whole part of the sentence there. The walk will do me good. Let me tell you something here. In written English, people do not usually use besides as a sentence adverb. People start a sentence with the more formal word moreover. So, if possible, try to use moreover in conversational English. And if you are writing maybe an essay or something and you want to use besides. Otherwise, moreover is better. I think you are ready for an exercise now. Now, let's use besides to combine two sentences. This time, let's use besides as a preposition. Okay? Here is the first pair of sentences. He is lazy. He is not interested in learning anything new. He is lazy. He is not interested in learning anything new. Now, how do you put these sentences together using besides? Think of it. Well, besides being lazy, he is not interested in learning anything new. Besides being lazy. See here, we have used being here. The verb form is be and we add ing here. Besides being lazy, he is not interested in learning anything new. Now let's try another example. You went to the barber's shop. Where else did you go? Try now. Well, you can say, besides the barber's shop, where else did you go? Besides the barber's shop, where else did you go? Let's look at the next one. The man robbed her, he injured her. How do you put them together? Besides robbing her, see here we have used rob plus ing. Besides robbing her, the man injured her. He did two things. Besides robbing her, the man injured her. We'll try another one. He's a businessman. He also works as a guest lecturer. He's a businessman. He also works as a guest lecturer. Now, besides being a businessman, he works as a guest lecturer. Of course, you can say also. Besides being a businessman, he also works as a guest lecturer. Now, let's look at one more. He's a teammate. He's my friend. He's a teammate. He's my friend. See here, the verb is and that is a be form. So, we use be plus ing. This is how we put them together using besides. Besides being a teammate, he's my friend. Now, let's try an exercise with besides as an adverb. While coming home, I do not carry bedding. I came home this time for a special purpose. Think of the answer. Well, it's easy. We write the first fact, that is, while coming home, I do not carry bedding. We put a semicolon. Besides, I came home this time for a special purpose. Full stop. That's it. We have used it as a sentence adverb. Let's try another one. I don't want to go to a restaurant. I can't afford it. I don't want to go to a restaurant. I can't afford it. Here is the answer. I don't want to go to a restaurant, semicolon. Besides, I can't afford it. I have another stronger reason. I can't afford it. I don't have enough money to spend on it. We'll try one more example. John would not survive life in the army. He is too old to be accepted. Try now. John would not survive life in the army. Put semicolon. Besides, he is too old to be accepted. Well, that's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have anything to ask, please do use comment section. I'll certainly reply to your comments. Thank you very much for watching. Like, share and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. See you in the next video.